Orcas, the enigmatic apex predators of the sea, are instantly recognizable by their striking black and white markings. These intelligent and social creatures have captivated human imagination for centuries. Their complex family structures, intricate communication patterns, and remarkable hunting abilities set them apart from other marine mammals. How did they evolve, and what are the deadly controversies and consequences surrounding these magnificent creatures? Killer whales, or orcas, are often called the wolves of the sea due to their complex social structures and predatory prowess. Despite their name, orcas are not whales, but dolphins, in fact, the largest members of the dolphin family. Adult orcas can grow to monstrous sizes. Males typically reach lengths of 20 to 26 feet, or 6 to 8 meters, while females are slightly smaller at 16 to 23 feet, or 5 to 7 meters. Their weight can vary significantly, but it's not uncommon for adult orcas to weigh between 8,000 and 10,000 pounds, or 3,600 to 4,500 kilograms. Their intelligence, adaptability, and cooperative hunting abilities have made them one of the most successful predators in the ocean. This stems from their complex social structures. Orcas live in pods, which are tight-knit family groups that can consist of dozens or even hundreds of individuals. These pods are often led by a matriarch, and members of the pod cooperate closely in hunting and raising young. Killer whales are apex predators, meaning they have no natural predators. They're capable of hunting a wide variety of prey, including seals, sea lions, dolphins, porpoises, fish, and even whales. Orcas are highly intelligent animals, widely considered to be among the most intelligent animals on Earth. On average, they have more smarts than a dog, largely due to their complex problem-solving abilities. They've been observed using a variety of hunting strategies, such as beaching themselves to catch seals and working together to corral schools of fish. Orcas are also known for their vocalizations, which are also complex and varied. They use a variety of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and calls to communicate with each other. These sounds are used for a variety of purposes, including hunting, social interaction, and even navigation. An orca can literally communicate to its pod if they're headed in the right or wrong direction. Not surprising then, due to their intelligence, killer whales are highly social animals, and they form strong bonds with other members of their pod. These bonds are essential for survival, as orcas rely on each other for hunting, protection, and raising young. But why are orcas so starkly black and white, while other dolphins are more of a mottled gray or pink color? The coloration pattern probably developed due to the habitats of their ancestors and enabled distinct hunting niches. It serves several purposes. The first is camouflage. The black and white markings help orcas blend in with their surroundings. In dark water, the white patches can appear as sunlight reflecting off the surface, while the black patches blend in with the shadows. This camouflage can help orcas ambush their prey. The second is social recognition. Each orca has a unique pattern of black and white markings, which allows other members of their pod to identify them. This is important for social interactions such as hunting, mating, and raising young. Finally, there is heat regulation. The black and white markings may also help orcas regulate their body temperature. The dark patches absorb sunlight, which can help to warm the orca, and the white patches reflect sunlight, which can help cool it. Overall, the black and white coloration of orcas is an adaptation that has clearly helped them survive and thrive in today's oceans. Orcas, being known for their intelligence, became popular attractions at zoos. Controversially, some orcas have even been trained to perform tricks at marine parks. Unfortunately, if an animal is intelligent, highly social, and wide-ranging in its habitats, as the orca is, then captivity tends to lead to some mental and health problems for individual animals. This has led to some accidents and mishaps in recent years. Of the 4 fatal attacks by orcas in captivity, one orca named Tilikum was involved in 3. The victims were Kelty Byrne, a trainer in the now-defunct Sealand of the Pacific, Daniel P. Dukes, a man trespassing in SeaWorld Orlando, and SeaWorld trainer Don Brancheau. Many of the facts around orcas in captivity are presented in the film Blackfish from 2013, and it's a highly debated subject today as people want to see this amazing creature treated with fairness and kindness. There are no documented cases of wild orcas killing humans. While orcas are powerful predators, they typically avoid humans. However, there have also been numerous instances of orcas interacting peacefully with humans in the wild. While they are not domesticated and should be observed with caution with the help of professionals or experienced outdoorsmen, this is one natural wonder that can be appreciated with awe and no fear. If you look at orcas and even dolphins, you'll notice that they are quite toothy. But why is this when other whales use baleen to filter the ocean waters for food? The reason is a common ancestor to orcas, dolphins, and porpoises. While the exact earliest prototype ancestor is difficult to pinpoint due to the fossil record, scientists have traced their lineage back to a group of marine mammals called the odontocetes. Odontocetes are a suborder of toothed whales. They're believed to have diverged from their baleen whale relatives around 23 million years ago. Over time, these toothed whales evolved into a variety of species, including the ancestors of orcas. One potential ancestor of orcas in particular is the Pakicetus, a small, wolf-sized mammal that lived in Pakistan around 52 million years ago. Pakicetus is considered to be one of the earliest known cetaceans, whales, dolphins, and porpoises. While it was not a fully aquatic animal, it had several features that suggest that it was transitioning from a land-based lifestyle to a more marine existence. Pakicetus was a relatively small mammal, estimated to have been around 1 to 2 meters or 3 to 6 feet long. This makes it comparable in size to a modern-day wolf or a large dog. It had a wolf-like body shape with 4 legs and a long snout. Another potential long-lost relative of the orca is the Ambulocetus, a semi-aquatic mammal that lived around 49 million years ago. Ambulocetus was larger than Pakicetus and had more adaptations for life in the water, such as a longer snout and webbed feet. Ambulocetus is often referred to as the walking whale and was a significant transitional form in the evolution of cetaceans. It was a large mammal, estimated to be around 10 to 12 feet or 3 to 3.6 meters long, with a robust build and a long crocodile-like snout. As an amphibious creature, Ambulocetus was well adapted for both land and water. It likely used its powerful legs to walk on land and its paddle-like feet to propel itself through the water. Its long snout and sharp teeth suggest that it was a carnivore, likely feeding on fish, small marine reptiles, and possibly even other mammals. It's important to note that this is just a guess at an evolutionary pathway for orcas, and there may be other, as yet undiscovered, ancestors. The fossil record is often incomplete, making it difficult to trace the exact lineage of many species. Despite their impressive characteristics, killer whales face a number of threats in the wild. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change all have a negative impact on orca populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for future generations. But what do you think? Do we need to hold some orcas in captivity in order to save them all? Let us know in the comments. If you think this video is share-worthy, share it with a friend who loves ancient biology as much as we do. Like and subscribe for the orcas and to motivate our team to make more videos. Stay curious.